Hi, welcome to this quick Flussos tutorial. This tutorial is all about how you control your flows for your business model. And you don't want to start from scratch, right? So we're going to look at what's already prepackaged in the Flussos, which is a lot of flow topics you're likely familiar with for property management. But even though these are here, suppose you want to tweak one of these flows yourself for your business model. We already have team groups set in. We already have the steps set up. So these are ready to go, the flows that come with it. But if you're a manager who wants to take more control and implement your model, all you have to do is go to the library with your admin permission, and you'll have access to these flows. All you would need to do is to the right, you can edit a flow model. Once you're in, you're able to modify these steps numerous ways. You can modify a step directly by clicking on that step, and 3 edit sections will pop up that you can tweak, or you can just add a new step up here by dragging it in and connecting it to the flow via arrow, or you can outright delete a step if you want by selecting it, highlighting it, and hitting delete on your keyboard. Simple as that. One pro tip, though, I would recommend before you start is instead of modifying the original templates that come with it, use this button here. Copy the flow. So duplicate it and start that as your platform for editing. That way you keep the foundational template just in case you want to go back to it. So if you found this short demo helpful, we can do a longer personalized demo for you. Just contact us at hello@flussos.com or visit our website at flussos.com. As you can see, Flussos is set up specifically for property managers who are ready to take control and grow their business through the 3 C's: consistency, completion, and compliance. Thank you very much for your time.